Hey, welcome to another episode of Ordinary Struggler, where it's one ordinary struggler to another trying to bring encouragement. So, have you ever felt like you're inadequate or not competent to really minister to people? Well, God says in 2 Corinthians 3 that you and I were competent ministers of the new covenant. You said, well, I don't believe that. I know that me and I'm not. Well, I want you to believe God because He is. And He says you are competent minister of the new covenant. There's a story in Mark 9 and Matthew 17 where Jesus is coming down from a mountain with two of His friends, where Jesus just transfigured. You can read it yourself there. And He comes into this commotion. They're on this really big high. They're coming down after experiencing some really great things together. And they come in this commotion with Jesus' disciple and a crowd. And Jesus says, what's going on here? Father comes up to Jesus and says, hey, I brought my son to your disciples so they would cast out this demon in my son. And they couldn't do it. And Jesus says, bring him to me. And so Jesus cast the demons out of this young child who was being thrown into convulsions in the fire and the water. Again, you can read it in Mark 9 and Matthew 17. Well, afterwards, Jesus and His disciples were together, and His disciples said, hey, Jesus, why couldn't we do that? How come you could do it like that? And we couldn't do it. Why? Jesus says, because of the littleness of your faith. If you have the faith of a mustard seed, you can say to this mountain, be moved and thrown into the ocean. It's going to go. All you need is a little bit of faith, and then walk in that direction when God gives you the idea to do it. So when God says you're a competent minister of the new covenant, if you just start walking in that direction, if you just start moving in that adequacy of blessing people with the new covenant, maybe it's the gospel message or a word of truth to people, you're going to see God work through you. Apply that little bit of faith that God has given you and be the adequate minister of the new covenant, because the world needs you to be. I hope these thoughts have been a blessing from one ordinary struggler to another. Have a great day.